Hey guys, here we have this 4K Ultra HD indoor and outdoor digital TV antenna. Let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. So here's the box. We're gonna go ahead and pop it open and see what kind of components we have inside. Looks like first we have some screws for installation. And here's everything you need. So first things first, let's go ahead and open it up. So here's the antenna itself. It's all together here. Here is the antenna itself. It has some holes here where you can use the screws to mount it on the wall if you prefer. And here's the 32.8 foot long cable. Very, very long. So you can flexibly set this up wherever you need to. So here we have the coaxial port. This is the cable that's going to go directly into your TV or your cable box, and this is how you're going to transmit the signal from the antenna to the TV. Also here is the USB cable. This is how you're going to power up the antenna. So both of these cables are attached here on the same cable, and they are attached to this box here. This is actually an amplifier, so you can adjust, you can switch between short range and long range. If you want better quality, you'll go for the short range. If you want to try to access more channels, you go for the long range. So this amplifier can help you get more channels. So that's the antenna. It's a pretty simple product, and let's go ahead and go get it set up. So here's how you set up your HD antenna. First things first, you're going to want to place the antenna close to a window if possible, because any types of obstacles like walls, furniture, or anything like that will cause interference and cause your signal to be not as strong. You could lose some channels, get some fuzzy images, or slow connection. So it's recommended to place your antenna by a window or as high as you can put it. So since this is an outdoor antenna, you could also put it on your roof, is another great place to put it. So now I have these connections here. Let's go ahead and set it up with our TV. So first things first, we're gonna wanna plug in this USB cable into the USB port of our TV. This way the antenna will get power. Now, if your TV doesn't have a USB port, you can also use a charging block and plug it into, a typical 5-volt charger, kind of like the one you use for your cell phone. You can just plug that into any wall outlet. After you've plugged in the power, now we want to connect this to the TV's port here. Depending on your TV, it might say something different. For ours says RF here. So we're just gonna go ahead and take our cable here and screw it in until it is secure. There we go. And you can already hear that the TV starting to get signal from the antenna. There you go. And now let me show you how to change the channels. So these instructions may vary depending on your TV, but what we're gonna do here for mine is we're gonna hit menu, then go to channel and auto scan, start to scan. So you're gonna want to have your TV scan for channels. So now your antenna is gonna scan for all of the channels in your area and what it can detect, and it's going to keep the channels that have picture. So you're gonna have the highest quality channels. So make sure to scan for channels after you've plugged your antenna in. Okay, so our TV and antenna is done scanning for channels, and now we can easily flip through the channels using our TV remote's channel button. So you can easily press up, switch channels. Here we got some news. We've got an ad for pizza. This looks like a game show or some kind of drama. But you get the point. Lots of channels available here. When we were scanning for channels, the TV was saying that we found over 100 channels to choose from. So this HD TV antenna is a great option.